How does God carry out His decrees? God carries out His decrees in the works of creation and providence. Fire and hail, snow and clouds, wind and weather that obey Him. Look up into the heavens, who created all the stars. He brings them out like an army, one after another, calling each by its name. Because of His great power and incomparable strength, not a single one is missing. All the people of the earth are nothing compared to Him. He does as He pleases among the angels of heaven and among the people of the earth. No one can stop Him or say to Him, "What do you mean by doing these things?" When they heard the report, all the believers lifted their voices together in prayer to God. O sovereign Lord, creator of heaven and earth, the sea, and everything in them, You spoke long ago by the Holy Spirit through our ancestor David. Your servant saying, "Why were the nations so angry? Why did they waste their time with futile plans? The kings of the earth prepared for battle. The rulers gathered together against the Lord and against His Messiah." In fact, this has happened here in this very city. For Herod Antipas, Pontius Pilate, the governor, the Gentiles, and the people of Israel were all united against Jesus, your holy servant, whom you anointed. But everything they did was determined beforehand according to your will. You are worthy, O Lord our God, to receive glory and honor and power, for you created all things, and they exist because you created what you pleased.